responsible for securing AI in your company or are leading that effort and are not sure where to begin, in the last video, I introduced you to AWS security scoping metrics. And in this video, I want to talk a little bit more about it in detail. So there are 5 scopes that this metrics defines. One is consumer apps, one is enterprise apps, third is pre-trained models, fourth is fine-tuned models, and last but not the least, self-trained models. Now, I will talk a little bit about these 5 scopes, and let me tell you, in any organization broadly, any AI use cases in your company will fall under one of these categories. So let's get started. Let's talk about consumer apps. Consumer apps are apps like ChatGPT or Claude or Midjourney or Perplexity. Basically any app where you can log in with your username, password, and you can start interacting with it. Like, there are so many applications which are available for consumers, so those come under this category. Now, a lot of companies do allow usage of consumer apps, but there are a lot of risks associated with these apps, and I will create another short which will be purely focused on risks associated with using consumer apps in an enterprise. So a lot of teams, instead of using consumer apps as is with the personal accounts, they will use enterprise apps or enterprise subscriptions. For example, you would have heard of M365 Copilot, right? Or you would have heard of many SaaS applications which are sold on an enterprise subscription under certain contractual obligations. So sometimes when your companies allow you to use these consumer apps such as ChatGPT or Claude, they might be working with these companies to have some sort of contract in place so that security and privacy are taken care of, and might not allow you to log in with your personal accounts and might allow you to log in with the enterprise accounts. So these 2 categories, public apps as well as consumer apps as well as enterprise apps, these 2 categories are both categories where companies are buying AI products and allowing their employees to use them, right? And more so, large organizations especially, they use enterprise subscriptions instead of simple consumer apps. More in the next short.